Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the standard text field in WordPress. I'm going to show you how to change from paragraph to heading fonts, how to add media, how to add links, and various other things. To start with, when you're writing into a text field, you usually want to add a heading of some kind. To do this, simply type in the wording you want for your heading, and then select that text, go up to the drop down, and select the type of heading you want. I'm going to go with a heading 1 in this case. Another way you can do this is by simply pressing the keys Shift-Alt-1. If you press Shift-Alt-2, that gives you a heading 2, Shift-Alt-3, that gives you a heading 3, and Shift-Alt-9 will bring it back to your paragraph settings. As it is, I'm going to leave it at Shift-Alt-1 with heading 1. Under that, I'm going to have my body copy. This is the main bit of text that I want to have the user read on my website. As you can see here, I'm just going to leave that in paragraph. What I may want to do is direct users to another page on my website or to another page anywhere else on the internet. So here, if I type in the word link or whatever the text is that you might want to include, so that might be read more or view more or the name of a company, for example, and you want to link to their website. Simply type it in whatever wording that you want, select the word, and go up here to edit/insert link. Here, I can either type in the URL of a website, so let's say www.google.com, and enter it. This now means the link is applied. What I'd want to do though, for an external website like Google, a website that's not my own, and this link would be taking the user off my website into another website, I'd like to click Edit, go to the link options, and press Open Link in a new tab. Now when the user clicks on that on the front end, it will open a new tab, directing them to Google. I can also change the alignment of my text. So as you can see here, I can align it to be in the center, right aligned, or left aligned. Again, we'll leave it in left aligned as is. What I may also want to do is start to include links, lists, or bullet points. So all you need to do is type in the content that you want for your bullet points, select them, and press bulleted list. That will automatically arrange them into a bulleted list for you. Alternatively, if you want these to be a numbered list, you can press the numbered list button here, and the same thing will happen. You can gain more options in your text field by pressing this little button here, and this brings up a second line of options you can have for your text. Some of these, for example, strike through, and that just simply puts a line through your text. You can also add a horizontal line between your text, so if you wanted to break your text up into different sections, you can press that and it'll add in a line throughout there. So here I might then want to add a second heading. And if you remember, Shift-Alt-2, and that's now a heading 2. From there I can then also change the colour of text. So if I wanted to change the text colour to, for example, this nice shade of pink, I can do that. And as long as the background isn't pink on my website, that should show up fairly clearly. I can also insert special characters. So those ones that you can never remember how to get to on your keyboard, you can simply go through and select them from a list here. So for example, I'm going to include the yen sign, and that's how you'd get that. You can also press Ctrl-Z, or there's an undo button here for you, and a redo button. Lastly, one of the other things to help you out with those keyboard shortcuts I suggested earlier, you click here, there's a list of all of the keyboard shortcuts that you can use for the various options within that text field. To add media into my text, simply go up to here and press Add Media, making sure that my cursor is where I want the image to be inserted. If I press Add Media, that should open up my media library. I like this image. I'm going to pop that in there like that. I can then resize the image using the tabs on the corner and also change the alignment. So if I wanted that to appear in the center, or the left, or the right, and simply do that. I can also edit this image, so I can change the size of it. I can make the image a link, so if I want people to be able to click on the image and take them to another place, then you can do that. And that's everything today. I'm going to be showing you on the basic text field for WordPress.